precious people, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard. I am the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics, and this channel is monetized for charity, which means by watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you are supporting two fabulous charities in my area. The first is the Domestic Violence Program at the Child and Family Center, and the other is Rescues on the Runway, which is an amazing dog rescue. So speaking of dogs, you know who, little Mr. Yogi Gerard has to come over and say his hellos. If this is your first time here, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll know anytime that we upload a new video. I actually just got back from church, and you know, my Fab Fit Fun box came, and I've never done an unboxing of one of these before because usually, I'm just gonna be real with you, I rip it open and and just like grab all the stuff that's inside, and it's a disaster within like seconds. But this time I was like, you know what? I'm gonna behave myself. I'm not gonna do that. And because I opened it and I kind of got like a little peeky at a couple of the things that were in here, but I didn't remove anything because it's all in here like so nice and neatly. So this, I guess, is the spring box. I honestly don't think I did selections this time. I know I meant to, but I never get the email that tells you when you can select things. And I try to check back pretty regularly, but then I forget. So I don't think I made any selections in here. I think I just went with the things that they sent me. The box is, I think it's $49.99 if you do it by quarter. So it's a quarterly box. Yogi, are you excited? Do you think there's dog treats in there? Do you? And I did the annual, which I want to say was $175 or $177. And oh, okay. So there's some things in here. This is like the little stop shop. I got this one. This it's a grinder for like salt and pepper in a previous box. Love it. So I highly recommend that if you're going to be you know, looking at stuff that they have for sale on the website. And I'll go through these, and then I will put the retail prices on the screen. You know, but anyways, 50 bucks is basically what you would pay for this. So let's just start. Look at how nice this is presented. Isn't that nice? And then they give you the little magazine that tells you all the things that are in it, and all the different things that you can get, and the women's charities that they donate to, and all of that stuff. So I never read this. I'm terrible that way. Hi. I never read it. I like immediate gratification. So we're gonna start with this right here. So this is a glow wrinkle treatment. You know what, maybe I did select this. See, this is what happens when you get old. You make new friends every day and you can't remember what you did or what you ate for breakfast. But this looks familiar. Lord knows I have wrinkles. So it is an infrared light, red light, and amber light. And it looks like it's battery operated. I actually have a friend who created one of the first handheld LED lights. And I can tell you, because I used that for years, that red LED really does work for anti-aging. I don't know about the other colors, but I do know that that one works. Okay, I got some silicone straws. And I mean, you know, I love the animals. I love God's creatures. But I have a hard time when I go to a restaurant, they don't give me a straw, because I have to have a straw. I do. I don't know. I'm just one of those people. So these, I'm sure, will come in handy. Although I'm not sure. Let's open them up and just see how portable they are. All right. Okay. What do you do? Oh, I see. Okay. So you take it and you roll it up and put it. Okay, that's doable. Yeah. I can do with that. Looks like that'll work. It's a nice setup. And it's got the little hanger thing so you can hang it like people are going to hang it from their belt. Wouldn't that be a fashion statement? Okay, this is AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, and it is for moisture. It says, EN Fast Food feeds, smooths, and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. Potent humectants and Abyssinian oil do double duty to moisturize and smooth split ends while adding weightless condition and shine to dry, lifeless hair. pH 4.5 to 5.5. And then it has directions for you. So I will give this a try. I have to say, like, I found a few really good products from from Fab Fit Fun. You guys know I love the Tula probiotic cleanser. I got that in a Fab Fit Fun box. I got a really nice blanket, and I love that salt and pepper grinder. Oh, and also there was I think it was from the same brand as this. It might be a different brand, just the packaging looks the same, but it was like a linen spray for my bed. It was like a lavender linen spray. I love it. I remember that the retail price sounded ridiculous to me because it was a little tiny spray bottle and it was like 40 bucks. So I was like, what you got in there, girl? But it might be the same company as this. So this is a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Okay, so let's see what it says. It says, use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. A powerful anti-aging, aging is misspelled, okay, super blend of shea butter, cranberry, and camelina sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile, which is also misspelled, to help improve sleep quality. Well, Lord knows I need better sleep, so I will try this despite the misspellings. Looks interesting. Okay, Perlise 2-in-1 Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. Okay, it says gently resurfaces skin, smoothing and boosting radiance. Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel is a skin smoothing, energizing face polish infused with glycolic acid and gently exfoliate and brighten skin for a radiant complexion in only 2 minutes. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B, and C and antioxidants that are vital for skin health. Lychee and beet renews the skin, while purple carrot leaves skin supple and hydrated. This one I'm going to read up on more before I put it on my skin. Glycolic obviously is very, it's harsh. And I don't know if I want to use that on my skin, but it looks nice. Looks like I know Perlise makes good stuff. So that one is a maybe for me, but still I'm not hating what I got. Okay, Murad, this one is Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. Okay, this was one you could see. I started to pull it open because number one, I love Murad, and number two, who doesn't need a collagen infusion? That's over the age of 15. So this is a fast-acting treatment with topical filler-like, I need it, girl, effect, plumps skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. Formulated with collagen, amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly revolumizes skin, while winged kelp helps restore youthful firmness. Okay, I'm down. I'm all about this. I'm so excited to try this. And I'm sure that was a pricey thing too. And then this is a gravity mask. So I'm excited. You guys know, if you've seen my video, I don't know if you have, I'm going to link it here. I do sleep with a weighted blanket, and I find that it does drastically improve my sleep when I remember to use it. Lately, I don't know why I haven't been using it. I need to use it because I haven't been sleeping good. But this is a weighted mask. I have a feeling this will be really, really good for my TMJ, and I just have a lot of like facial tension, and I've just always been that way. Like I carry it all my tension like in my head, in the back of my head, and here and around my eyes. So I actually want to try this. I think it'll be neat. I don't know if I'll love it, but I'm gonna give it a try. And this here is Jaboneria Marianella Rosewood and Listea Cubeba body oil with morongo and pomegranate oil. Okay. It's a spray. Is it a spray? No, it's a pump. Our Rosewood and Listea Cubeba body oil, say that 10 times fast, is a cold-pressed infusion of amazingly beneficial 100% pure oils and vitamins. This undiluted, luxurious, restorative, and anti-aging formula will moisturize, soothe, and replenish your skin the way nature intended, with no harsh chemicals or additives, leaving you with a beautiful and healthy, youthful glow. Okay, well, I need that. So I think this is all that's in the box. I think what's in here now is just a false bottom. Yes. So that is my my Fab Fit Fun box. I can tell you that I am happy. I'm happy with this just for the Murad with nothing else. So I actually think this is a great box. I think I will use all of these products except for maybe this one. I'm not sure. But I feel like I got a good value with my money. When I first got Fab Fit Fun, I was like, I don't know. But their boxes just keep getting better and better and better. And so I have been really overall happy with the stuff that I've been getting. So I'm super excited. Are you excited, Yogi? Are you excited? He's like, if it didn't have dog treats, I'm not excited. He's over it. So at any rate, I hope wherever you are and whatever you're doing, you are having an awesome day. Hi, baby. And don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you'll know anytime that we upload a new video. And if you made it this far in the video, why not share the video? After all, sharing is caring. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you are having a totally awesome day, and I will be talking to you very, very soon.